Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 6205 and we are going to remove an RPM package. So there is a C debugger package installed on the server that your organization is no longer using. The IT manager in your organization has asked you to install the DD cdebug 2.8.15.3 CD15 package. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to uninstall the DD-C debug 2.8.15-3 CD15 package. Verify that the DD-C-debug 2.8.15-3.cd15 package is uninstalled. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So we'll just go ahead and start lab. Right, so we just wait for the lab to load. In case you find this video to be helpful, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. So we'll wait for this video to load. We'll wait for the lab to load. I don't know if it's the network, sometimes the lab takes a little time to load. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and open terminal. And we type in RPM space -E -DDD -C -D the bug, and you press enter. And you type in RPM -E DD -C debug. Okay, so we go ahead and edit this right here. So it's gonna be -Q, and we'll go ahead and press enter. So go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Consider joining my professional membership. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.